As with other exercises, we are going to start with the Copenhagen plank with phase 1, and then I'm going to show you phase 2 as well. If you have any questions, let me know. We will always maintain the 360 brace while we are doing this exercise and before we ever push off of the ground. So that's a preface for every single one of my exercises until you get this, especially for core exercises, and until you get this down where your body doesn't have to guess about it anymore, okay? So we're gonna take our arm and we're gonna go onto the ground. Now, if you need to, grab a mat. Don't make this hard on yourself. For phase 1, you're gonna put your knee on the bench. And you see this bench is just a little bit tall for me. So what I would do is either put a mat underneath here or get something that's just a tiny bit shorter, but you'll see that it's not super difficult once I actually get into this. Now what I'm going to do is take a deep breath in. I'm going to let it all the way out. Get the brace nice and tight. I'm going to use my leg and push my knee into the ground while I keep this one on the bench. Okay? Keep that brace nice and tight. Once you have this, I'm going to raise the leg. And I'm going to hold. Okay? I'm going to lower the leg back down after you start to get that little shake or after a couple seconds or whatever your exercise routine says. And then I'm going to come back down. Okay? That is 1 rep. All right, or 1 hold. Just depends on what your program says. So look at that, okay? We'll demonstrate it again, all right? So get the breath. I've got my brace still. I'm gonna hold. I'm gonna breathe while holding the brace. Do not hold your breath. And then come all the way back down, okay? Notice how I'm using my leg to push off. Phase 2 is a little bit more difficult. I'm gonna put my foot on the bench. Same thing, deep breath in. Let it all the way out. Nice brace. Push up with the leg. Raise the leg. And I'm going to raise my hip up just a little bit too. Down and back down. This side's a little bit harder. Notice I've actually flattened my hand here. You can also go with a fist as well too. I find that it's just a little bit better if I push into the ground with my hand. But we're going to try it with the fist here. All right, same thing. Deep breath in. All the way out. Push, lift. Nice straight line. Ta-da! Enjoy. If you have any questions, let me know.